G'day kids, welcome to Apocalypse Tutorials. Yeah, my neighbours were making too much noise out in my garden, so logically I've moved into my bathtub for you. Today the part of Apocalypse Truck is being played by my exhaust fan because it's not separate to the light and it has to be on so you can see me. Anyway, today's Apocalypse tutorial is apocalypse cooking. Because it might be the end of the world, but we've still got to eat, right? So I actually make a lot of soups and veggie stews. And today for this tutorial, what you're going to need is some celery, a nice big healthy looking tomato. That one's not very red, but it makes up for it with its tremendous girth, and a carrot. And what you're going to do with those is just eat them, because it's the apocalypse. And what even is the point?